Hello all, my name is Krishnayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the best websites. It is kind of a blogging website where you can actually refer regarding data science, about machine learning, about deep learning. Now remember one thing guys, right now in 2020, there are so many blogging websites where a lot of abundant materials are available with respect to data science, machine learning and deep learning. And if you know the right technique to learn data science, I think you will be able to cover many things from this particular blogs. If you know just the order of actually studying, what you need to study, how you need to prepare, everything is actually available in this blogging websites. Now, considering this, guys, I'm going to mention my best blogging websites, which I usually refer whenever I face any problem. Okay, trust me, guys, because after learning data science, machine learning, and all, still I face many problems, and for that, I refer to tutorials, I refer to different kind of blogs from different websites. So that I'm going to refer over here, and I'll please do make sure that you also follow this all websites because it will be very helpful for you. This is must for people who are actually making a transition towards data science. So the first and the best, my best, is actually Machine Learning Mastery. The reason I like Machine Learning Mastery website, because guys, you have wonderful tutorials over here with respect to each and everything that is present in machine learning, deep learning, advanced deep learning technique. When I talk about advanced deep learning techniques, I'm basically talking about advanced CNN techniques altogether. And the best thing that I have seen is that only one person, Jason Brownie, he usually writes most of the articles, and he is actually an experienced person because he's already having a PhD and he has done a lot of research. So if I say that, which is the first website that I would always go whenever I'm stuck onto a problem statement, whenever I'm stuck to a use case which I need to solve and see some kind of tutorials, Machine Learning Mastery is the best. And the blogs are also updated based on the recent research that are actually happening. Continuously, new blogs are actually coming up if we actually see in this particular website. Right. The second website that I would like to say, and I think everybody knows this, pythonprogramming.net. Over here, you have a lot of things. You have not only machine learning or deep learning. You have web development. You have bots. You have NLP. You have GUI interface. You have Golang. You can also see Golang is also present over here. This particular website is basically of a person. I think his name, his YouTube channel name is Sentdex in the So this particular website actually belongs to a person, and he's already having a YouTube channel. He's amazing enough, if you go and follow his YouTube tutorials. Apart from that, you can also follow his websites itself, and the channel name is Sentdex. Okay, so amazing tutorials he actually upload with respect to quantum programming is also showing a lot of things. So definitely second best. I would like to refer this whenever I'm stuck in some of the other thing. Yes. Apart from this, in smaller issues, in some of the issues which I've actually stuck, I can also refer to Stack Overflow. Okay, so Stack Overflow is my best with respect to different kind of problems or issues that I face. So if I write Stack Overflow data science, I think a lot of with respect to questions are actually solved into this, and a lot of answers are also there because the data science community is huge. Okay, so Stack Overflow is probably my next option that I should actually go to understand issues that I'm actually stuck on. Then I like to say Analytics Vidya. Analytics Vidya is also amazing. A lot of tutorials, a lot of techniques I've actually learned from it. And again, thanks to the authors who have actually contributed over here. Amazing articles they have actually written with respect to data science. So this is my next. Uh, I like this because they also conduct, various kind of, if I consider they conduct a lot of hackathons also with respect to machine learning, deep learning techniques, and the hackathon are pretty much amazing. They conduct a very nice hackathons. The problem statements are quite difficult in order to solve that. And yes, definitely a lot of learning is also there. And I think for freshers, the hackathon will be in such a way that if you are able to come to the top three, you will be getting an interview opportunity with the companies who have actually conducted that particular hackathon. So it is pretty much amazing. The next website that I'd like to suggest is Medium and towards data science. uh, One thing I don't like about this particular website is that, guys, if you continuously look at various articles in a day, probably there is some kind of limitation, then some of the articles will not open. Okay, but you can again fix that particular issue. You just have to open those articles in incognito mode, then you'll be able to see the whole article. I think if that issue were actually not there, I think this would have been my top website with respect to any queries or any tutorials for data science, because the reason is that here you have many authors, you have many data scientists who are actually continuously writing articles, over here even a student who has done something good, they can also write their own articles and they can share with all the friends and all. So medium and towards data science would be my next option if I want to look for any kind of queries. But I think if the article is shared like to everyone for any time limit, I think this would have been my first uh, best websites with respect to understanding any kind of data science queries. Then we have something called as KD Nuggets. I have actually referred KD Nuggets a lot of time, guys. I have got some wonderful solution when I was referring to this particular site, with respect to various tutorials. So probably this is also a very good website when considering a lot of tutorials with respect to data science technique, to understand most of the pre-processing techniques with respect to NLP. I've referred a lot of materials. Again, the authors are pretty much very, very good when they're explaining things in this particular website also. Now, considering this, guys, one thing that you always have to make sure that with respect to tutorials, definitely you should refer this. But suppose if you're having some concern with respect to some of the things, something is not getting solved, something, some of the issues are coming with respect to the library, then from where you should actually go and check it out. One is Stack Overflow, as I said. The another one is GitHub. Then, if you also want to go and watch any tutorials, Kaggle is the best place. Kaggle provides you a huge opportunity to see the author kernels, how it has been solved, how each and everything has been done, what are the best practices, everything Kaggle has, guys. Definitely, Kaggle should be there at any time. The type of solution they have put up is pretty much amazing. I think if you have all these things, you need not go anywhere. Just learn step by step. And trust me, guys, everything available over here is completely for free. You don't have to pay anything as such, right? So make sure that you practice things over here. And again, while you're referring this blogs and website, guys, your base needs to be stronger, because the author who are actually explaining, they're considering that people who are referring those articles have some kind of base knowledge. That is pretty much important. Okay, so make sure that these are the websites you should refer at, and again I'll be giving you all the links in the description of this particular video. So I hope you like this particular video, guys. Please make sure that you subscribe my channel. We are pretty much near to 200k subscribers. This is all because of your love, your affection, that we are able to reach. We have such a huge family now. So make sure that you subscribe the channel, share with all your friends. And guys, if you want to really support me in creating these wonderful videos, make sure that you join as a member, and try to support this particular channel, because I will be coming up with more and more videos as such. So thank you. This is all about this particular video. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye.